Welcome back to Next Gen Wheels, where we bring you the latest updates on cars that are shaping the future of driving. Today we are diving into the 2025 Toyota Veloz, a model that has been gaining attention for its practicality, design, and features that balance family needs with modern styling. If you've been looking for a vehicle that combines versatility, comfort, and affordability, then stay tuned because the Veloz might just be what you're looking for. We're going to cover everything from its design to its interior, technology, performance, and of course, the price that makes it a competitive choice in today's market. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Toyota Veloz takes a bold step forward compared to previous versions. Toyota has given it a sleeker and more premium look, with sharp lines across the body, a striking front grille, and LED headlamps that not only improve visibility but also add a modern flair to the vehicle's face. The Veloz carries an SUV-inspired design even though it is technically a multi-purpose vehicle. Its higher ground clearance, rugged front bumper, and sporty alloy wheels give it that crossover appeal that families and younger buyers will appreciate. Toyota clearly understands that buyers today want something that is practical yet stylish, and the Veloz hits that balance beautifully. Moving inside, the 2025 Veloz offers a cabin that focuses on comfort and convenience. This is a 7-seater, and Toyota has made sure that space is well optimized for families. The seats are supportive, and there's enough legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The third row, while best suited for kids or shorter trips, still offers better usability than many competitors in the same category. The dashboard design feels modern, with a digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment screen at the center. The system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making smartphone integration easy and seamless. What stands out in the interior is the use of quality materials. Soft touch panels, stylish stitching, and chrome accents give the Veloz a more upscale feel compared to traditional family vehicles. Toyota has clearly invested in making sure that passengers feel comfortable and connected during every trip. Another highlight is practicality. The Veloz comes with multiple USB ports, cup holders, flexible seating arrangements, and a decent-sized cargo space that expands when the third-row seats are folded down. This makes it ideal for long family trips, grocery runs, or even weekend getaways. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Toyota Veloz is powered by a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine. It delivers enough power for daily driving and highway cruising, producing around 105 horsepower, which is paired with a continuously variable transmission. While it's not built for speed, the Veloz is tuned for fuel efficiency and smooth driving. Toyota's focus here is to offer reliability and affordability in terms of running costs. This is especially appealing for families who want a dependable car that won't strain the budget when it comes to fuel or maintenance. The handling of the Veloz is surprisingly stable for a vehicle of its size. The steering feels light, making it easy to maneuver in city traffic, and the suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and uneven roads without much trouble. For drivers in urban areas, this combination makes the Veloz a practical everyday vehicle. It may not deliver the excitement of a sports car, but what it offers is peace of mind, smoothness, and a driving experience that's stress-free. On the safety side, Toyota has equipped the 2025 Veloz with a good range of features. Standard safety technologies include multiple airbags, anti-lock braking system, electronic stability control, hill start assist, and a rear view camera. In higher trims, buyers can expect advanced driver assistance features such as blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. These systems help reduce risks and make driving safer, especially on long family trips. Safety has always been Toyota's strong point, and the Veloz continues that tradition. Now let's talk about the pricing, which is a big factor for many buyers. The 2025 Toyota Veloz is expected to start around $20,000 to $23,000 depending on the trim and market region. This positions it as an affordable option in the compact MPV and crossover segment. Higher trims with more advanced features and premium touches can go up to around $25,000, but even then, it remains competitively priced. Compared to some rivals that offer less space or fewer features at a higher cost, the Veloz delivers solid value. For families or first-time buyers looking for a vehicle that won't break the bank but still provides modern amenities, the price point makes it an attractive choice. The 2025 Toyota Veloz is more than just a family car. It represents how Toyota is responding to the growing demand for vehicles that combine utility with style. It's not only about getting from point A to point B, it's about traveling comfortably, safely, and with a touch of sophistication. The design appeals to younger families, the interior provides the versatility needed for daily life, the performance ensures reliability and efficiency, and the price keeps it accessible to a wide range of buyers. If you're in the market for a new vehicle in 2025 and want something that's affordable, stylish, and built with practicality in mind, the Toyota Veloz deserves to be on your shortlist. It might not be the flashiest car on the road, but it has all the qualities that make it a smart and dependable choice. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Toyota Veloz and its price. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Wheels for more reviews and updates on the latest cars hitting the market. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the new Veloz. Would you consider it as your next family car, or do you prefer something with more power? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.